Just take a look at these delicious dishes surrounding us here today. They all have one thing in common, don't they?
That's right. They were all made with the Russell Hobbs Slow Cooker.
Now, that just blows my mind. When I heard we'd be doing a slow cooker video today, I was looking forward to some, hearty stews, casseroles, that kind of thing. Not what we've got here.
Well, slow cookers are great for those traditional slow cooker kinds of dishes, that's true, but many people still have no idea the range that a slow cooker is capable of.
Well, count me in as one of them. Until today. Anyway, now can you walk us through this buffet here, and let's start with those over there because they smell amazing.
Okay, well, these are slow cooker shredded beef nachos.
Yum!
You just cook the steak in the slow cooker until it's tender, bake it over chips and cheese, and top it with guacamole, salsa and sour cream.
The fork is ready, may I? Here we go, try some of this. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, that is so tender. I'm making that for when the boys come over to watch the footy. Yum! It's delicious. What else have we got there while I finish my mouthful?
Okay, we have the slow cooker chicken teriyaki. It's a real favourite in my house.
Yum.
And who doesn't love lasagna? With the 7-litre capacity of this Russell Hobbs slow cooker, these recipes make feeding a family almost effortless.
Absolutely
but
fantastic.
But it doesn't taste like it.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Hey, this is so good. If you ever need somebody to finish off the leftovers at your house, you know where to find me. Okay, now let's talk baked goods, because there's really a wide variety of things that you can bake in a slow cooker, isn't there?
There is. Whether you just want a good sturdy bread like this or something a little more complex like these cheese and bacon scrolls, you'll be amazed at what you can do with the slow cooker.
Okay, I can't help myself. I'm going to have to put you to the test here. Oh my goodness, this came out of a slow cooker. This is bakery quality stuff.
Well, if you think that's good, wait until you try these desserts.
I love this job.
This Russell Hobbs slow cooker really shows its versatility when it comes to dessert. Are you in the mood for chocolate fudge?
Yes.
Or pavlova? Or pear and pecan pudding?
Yes.
Or salted caramel?
All of them? Don't make me choose. Now, before I demolish these desserts, what are we going to wash it down with?
How about some slow cooker hot chocolate?
Stop it.
A slow cooker and the ultimate winter warming beverage are a match made in heaven, don't you think?
This is fantastic. Couldn't have said it better myself. Now, this incredible smorgasbord that you can see in front of you is just the tip of the delicious iceberg when it comes to what a slow cooker is capable of.
That's right. A Russell Hobbs slow cooker makes it so easy to make just about anything you have a taste for, from light to hearty, sweet or savoury, any kind of cuisine, any time of day. And with a capacity of up to 8 servings, there's always enough for everyone.
Well, I'm going to do my best to prove you wrong with that one, especially with these desserts. Anyway, thank you very much. For more great slow cooker ideas, simply jump onto the Russell Hobbs website, and happy slow cooking. What are you after? Bit of brownie. Yeah.